Don't let a respiratory virus get you down. I'm Dr. Jason Bowling with University Health. I recommend these tips to stay healthy during respiratory virus season. Wash your hands frequently. It is the most effective way to remove germs. Rub your hands vigorously with soap and running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitizing gel or wipes are good options on the go. Proper hand washing is the key to staying healthy. Make sure to get vaccinated. Vaccines are safe and effective. They ramp up your immune system, and this can help you avoid getting sick or experience milder symptoms and avoid severe complications. Older adults, young children, and the immunocompromised are most vulnerable. And ask your doctor about low-cost or free vaccine programs available near you. Adults and children aged 6 months and older are vaccine eligible. A little prevention now can help keep you healthy all season long.
Health Focus SA, sponsored by University Health.